Alright, 235 Fordham. Gonna take a quick tour. Of course, the lawnmower just showed up across the street. There's a little roundabout right there. Garage, driveway. Extra driveway that goes down to the side of the house. And let's go inside. Very spacious living room. This can be separated with 3 separate pocket doors for privacy from and to this room. We have a breakfast nook study right here. Double pocket doors. Pass through to the kitchen. Pocket doors. Pass through to the formal dining room. Let's just back. We'll continue this way. This also has an extra family room up here with view both forward and to the rear of the property. Big sliding doors with extra windows on the side. Let's go out to the garage. This is an oversized 1-car garage. Has the electric lift, has the hurricane straps, extra storage cabinets, washer, dryer, and laundry tub, which is a sink right now, gas water heater, and an extra bath. Toilet and tub shower. Spacious backyard. Big patio. There's the kitchen back in the formal dining room. Let's walk up through the family room. Family room, again, separated with a pocket door to the living room. Pocket doors to the study. Pocket doors to the hall. 2 large bedrooms. Each lit with very large closets. Linen closet. Big bathroom with tub shower. Big linen closet inside. Built-in cabinets. And the second bedroom. Built-in shelving, lots of extra lights. Once again, lit closet. And we'll go outside, look at the backyard. Alright, from the sliding doors, see the side lights there. Big patio, big open yard. awnings. Nice little social space, storage closet. And again, a very large backyard.